We won't talk about marriage again now. We don't talk part 1, don't talk part 2. We don't enter another part. Anything when we won't make our marriage go front, now we will talk so. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Why you go share am? You say who no know, go know. Who no see, go see. And as we dey use am, go dey work for us. That's why we need to share am. Wetin be all this thing now? This marriage of today now. No say wetin we think say na marriage na so e be, not be so. Wetin dey inside marriage e much, e many. Na be the thing. How we wan start am now? They say quality time should be spent together. Wetin we mean by this one? Like some marriages get some spouse when be say the man dey work, the woman dey work. The time one una get opportunity, one una get to stay together. Some of them they go outside, go sit down a whole day. Time when you supposed to sit down with your wife, time when you supposed to sit down with your husband, you go outside, go do another thing. E good. Instead of that, e good make husband and wife they sit down for one for house, sit down, discuss thing when go push the family front forward. You know, say and discuss what go push the family forward. What go bring good things inside the family. Una sit down together, iron things out. This is when you go get. This one go bring this one go bring Una work, una talk, una work. The thing go work together. You know, see that opportunity wanna get more than they use them together. A good way. And another one, take no record of past offense. What do we mean by this one? If una don't quarrel before, and another quarrel can't come. Instead when you go to talk, say you do this one, you do that one, that's what you do that day when we quarrel. I beg, no bring that matter again at all. The matter when don't pass, no bring them at all. Just talk waiting the one when he bring the quarrel that day. Iron on that one. First of focus on that one. More than focus on that one. Husband and wife. Let us focus on the issue. When he bring the matter that day. We talk and we iron now. That one will just go immediately. Instead of to bring waiting don't pass before. And as he bring and maybe that one self, the matter get as it be. If you stay your anger, another one, you don't increase the problem with that again. That's why no good. More they bring past offense. Another one. Waiting. He said resist every temptation of infidelity. What be this one? Infidelity. What do you mean? What do you mean? Like get some men or some women when be say they like outside well. They call am Lord throat. Wetin are they beg our women, our men? If you dey among of this class, this group, try that way they do you go outside. Maybe that woman when they say outside they paint very well. Maybe they dress very well. Maybe they make up very well. Maybe they do her hair very well. Bring them inside your house. Tell your wife indirectly. You go tell her say, see what I want to oh girl, I want you to do like this. I want you to do like this. I want you to do like this. Tell them. Instead go no. You go to do what you tell them to do. You even we women too. If we they see the way when some people they dress outside, maybe like some men, you like the way they dress. Maybe you like the thing. Inside house, you see your system. Tell your husband, I want you to do like this. I want you to dress like this. So this one when you dress, I don't like them. This your haircut. Why you not cut them like this? Why you not do like this? Use the system, bring the thing inside house. Instead of when, because this outside when they go, they share your love into 100 places. You know they good. You know they good. You know they bring peace for the house. You don't get annoyed. Any small thing when the man do, you don't get annoyed. We're not going to say that thing they make you the vex. But to you yourself know say that thing where they happen faster, now make you the vex. That's why at times when husband and wife quarrel, you say go to imagine say, what did they bring this wahala? We're not going to say now waiting the thing where they happen faster, now they bring the wahala. That's why they use this opportunity they talk say, maybe they try. Maybe we do all these small things where go to bring the marriage forward. Where go to make us to avoid quarrel every day. Where go make man or woman beat person so they you go destroy the woman for nothing, just for nothing. Now you make us say we bring all these things when they try them so that it will work for us. Eh? Another one we say stay positive to each other vision. What do we mean by this one? If there's some women or some men when we say that they pursue career, some of them are good in businesses. If you notice your husband, you notice your wife, say they did this kind of class, I beg. Because some people, if you feel there's something, you don't know how to do them. You don't know how to bring yourself out for that thing. If you like you husband, they see say this my wife is good in this area, help and push am. They always they remind them. Tell her say this, I know, I dey notice you say you good for this kind of thing. Oh. You know, you go by the time you dey push am before you know it don't come out, you don't enter inside the line. Even wife too, the same thing. You look say this man good in this kind of area, tell am, but they remind them, push am, because by the time the thing work, it's good to the family. The thing will bring benefit, will bring good things, will bring peace to the family. You know, see, that's why you need to be doing all those things. Maybe they try, maybe they do all these things for us. I know it go good for us. Love life with the talk. It dey bring problem for family. It dey bring problem where it dey bring problem. All of us know this one. If you notice this thing, say your husband no sabi am, your wife no sabi am, that one na dey push you go outside. I beg you, when you know am, teach another person. Teach your wife. Teach am. If your husband no sabi am, wife, teach your husband. Teach am, make you know how to do am. Teach am, so that you go start to dey go outside, so that any small thing, you know, dey vex. Teach am, because they say we don't know everything. Only God knows sabi everything. Only God dey perfect. We not know everything. Now God know everything, so that we go accommodate each other. Not many small things we go dey vex. But by the time we dey use all this and put this thing into practice, you see and say the thing, all those annoyances they go small. Who they put sweet for mouth, you know, like them? Nobody now. But then we all go accommodate ourselves. You know, say this thing before you know, what they don't disappear. And make us they talk all these things. To cram it all again, no. Now God, though, you do everything, but you must pray. Try to pray for your marriage. Let God lay the foundation well, because what is on the foundation is solid. My sister, my brothers, nothing go enter. You not go fit break. So my sisters, my brother, now so my own rich. Now so me I talk rich. I know say God will help us to follow all these things up, and it will work for us.